Hello everyone, here's teacher Yulia again, and here I'm ready to start lesson number 3. The topic for today is transformation of mathematical phrase to an inequality. That's mean how to translate mathematical words to mathematical symbols and numbers, of course. As we do traditionally, we start with vocabulary. Sum of, added. That's mean you just do plus one number to another number. Difference of, subtracted. This operation means that you subtract or minus number from the another number. Times of, product. This is the operation of multiplication. This table, excuse me, one moment please. This table shows you some inequality symbols we use for writing inequalities and phrases describing these symbols. For example, first symbol we can read like it's less than or fewer than or smaller than. The following symbol is greater than, and you can also read it as more than, bigger than. The following two symbols, next two symbols, this and this, have more meanings, and this symbol you can read something is less than or equal to, something is at most, or something is no more than. We'll see examples below. And this symbol we can read like is greater than or equal to, at least, is no less than. For example, you are given equation k is greater than or equal to 10. Also, for this inequality, the very legal reading like k is at least 10. What does it mean? Number k, the least number k, the smallest number k, can be equal 10, or this number k must be more than 10. Equal to 10 or more than 10. So the minimal k, smallest number k, is 10 or greater than 10, or k is no less than 10, included 10. K can be equal to 10, no less than 10, not 9, not 8, not less than 10. For example, you are given the mathematical phrase 6 times the number m is at most 28, and the question is write the inequality which is related to this mathematical phrase. So let's see that phrase. This phrase we can split in two parts. As you can see, this part. This is the left side of inequality, and the right part of inequality, and between there is English word is. This is the key word which is used to split this phrase into parts. So let's see to the left side. Left to is 6 times a number m. You are given a number m. You don't know what m is this, what number is this. You just know this is the variable m, and you can read English word 6. Can you see 6 times? That means you have to multiply 6 by this number m, 6m. So now let's see to the right side of this. at most 28. What does that mean? As we know, at most, that's mean the number on the left side should be less or equal to the number on the right side. At most, the biggest number on the left side should be equal to 28 or less than 28. At most. That's mean in another notation, it's less than or equal to. Just remember about the table above. 28. So this is number 28. Finally, the answer for this mathematical phrase is 6m. The next sign is less than or equal to 28. So for mathematical phrase 6 times a number m is at most 28, the inequality looks like this. Let's see the another example. Example number 2. You are given a phrase: the sum of a number and 7 is no less than 13. How to write the inequality? Again, there is a is, which is split in two parts, our phrase, the sum of a number and 7, and on the left side of our inequality will be no less than, this is the inequality symbol, 13. 13 is a number. So this is on the left side, the sum. The sum, that's mean we do addition, plus. Sum of what? A number and 7. You are given a number. You don't know what number is this, but you can say, for example, it's x. It's variable x. For example, you can use y, a, or another letter. A number, that's mean unknown number, variable, and 7. The sum of number, for example, x, and 7 is no less than. The symbol of inequality for no less than is more than or equal to 13. This is number 13. On the right side, just number 13. So this is our answer for this mathematical phrase. And finally, example number 3. You are given the phrase: the difference of 4 times a number and 3 is greater than 10 times that number. Write the inequality. This is little more complicated than previous two examples, but anyway, it's not so difficult, believe me. So again, there is between left side and between right side. Let's see. The blue one is the left side, the difference of. The difference, that's mean we do subtraction, minus. Difference of what? 4 times a number. We don't know number, so this is a variable. We can say, let it be y. 4 times a number, that's mean 4 multiplied by that number, by variable, by y, 4y. The difference of 4 times a number and 3. So 4y, we subtract number 3. From 4y, we subtract number 3. So right part. Right side is greater than 10 times that number. Greater than, very simple and understandable sign, inequality sign. So greater than 10 times that number. What does it mean? 10 times. That's mean you have to multiply by 10 some number, that number. What does it mean, that number? That number is related to this number, to the variable you already met on the left side. So this number, y. So that number, that's mean number y, 10y. So, and the answer for this mathematical phrase will be 4y minus 3 is greater than 10y. For practicing reading and understanding and translating mathematical phrases to inequalities, please go to quiz number 1, supplementary math. And next lesson number 4 will be uploaded next week in supplementary mathematics in subject supplementary mathematics. So thank you for watching this lesson and see you soon. Bye bye.